The relentless targeting of religious minorities in the Kashmir Valley is continuing. The latest attack in a case of mistaken identity was on Sandeep Mawa and his establishment. And instead of Mr. Mawa, who was clearly the intended target, one of his colleagues, Ibrahim Khan, was killed. Sandeep Mawa is one of those rare Kashmiri Pandits who has stayed back in the valley and tried to make a life for himself. Ibrahim, who was killed by terrorists, worked at the shop that was owned by Sandeep Mawa. Sandeep Mawa's father in the past has also been at the receiving end of terrorist violence many decades ago when the Kashmiri Pandits were first forced into exile. This killing comes weeks after ML Bindru was shot dead and after a spate of targeted attacks against religious minorities, even targeting a school principal and a school teacher. We're looking at this back to 90s phenomenon for the Kashmir Valley. Let's go across now to Sandeep, for whom, of course, this has been a very, very close escape. As we said, the terrorists clearly intended to send him a message and killed his colleague, his friend Ibrahim instead. Sandeep, सबसे पहले तो we're glad you're okay. शुक्र है आप ठीक हैं. ये इब्राहिम के साथ जो हुआ बहुत बहुत ट्रैजिक हुआ और इस समय आपको दर्द भी होगा और डर भी होगा. आप बोलिए संदीप.
ये थोड़ा अनफॉर्चुनेट हुआ. बेसिकली मैं 3 बजे ऑलरेडी इनपुट आ चुका था पुलिस का कि दे आर ट्राइंग टू टारगेट मी एंड आई लेफ्ट इन सम अदर व्हीकल. तो मैं अपनी जो मेन कार था वही छोड़ के आया था. और सडनली इब्राहिम वाज देयर टू कलेक्ट माय कार एंड द मोमेंट ही एंटर्ड माय कार ही वाज शॉट डेड. Taken that it was Sandeep Mawa, and in fact, Muslim Jamaas was clear that they have been successful eliminating Sandeep Mawa. But later on, they again put a poster that no, we have mistaken. It was not Sandeep Mawa, it was Ibrahim. But we intended to kill Sandeep Mawa and Mr. Roshan Lal Mawa, my father. That was their idea. But it
and those bullets were meant for you, and they thought Ibrahim was you.
Yes, in fact, today they have again. I think probably on the internet, the poster was there that the plan was to assassinate Sandeep Mawa and Roshan Lal Mawa. It was basically a mistaken identity of me by Ibrahim.
You know, I'll come to why they're targeting you and your father in a moment. You have a store. We're playing pictures of that shop. Can you talk a little bit about Ibrahim? What Ibrahim meant to you? The dosti, the rishta. Can you talk a little bit about that?
Ibrahim is like a family to me. He's like an elder brother to me. He was with me from last 13 years. We have seen the tough times of business, tough times of life together. He was with me when I was in Delhi. He was with me when I was in Jammu. He was with me when I was in Bangalore. He was all with me. And ultimately, he was at my store in Janagar, downtown. He was like a family. It's a personal tragedy to me. In fact, I feel humiliated. I feel guilty that it is me who has been involved in his killing. It's probably because Milton were trying to attack me, and unfortunately, they mistook him as me. It's a personal loss to me and my family.
So Sandeep, as you said, you feel responsible in some ways for Ibrahim's death, whom you say was like an elder brother, and I can totally understand. पर क्यों आप लोगों को निशाना बनाया? आप उन चंद कश्मीरी पंडित families में से हैं, who has stayed back, built a life there. Your father was the target of militants, yet रोशन जी उसके बावजूद भी उन्होंने अपनी स्पाइसेस की दुकान चलाई. क्यों आप लोगों को टारगेट किया जा रहा है? What is happening here?
See, they don't want peace in Kashmir. They think by killing minorities or by eliminating minorities, they'll be able to achieve this motto. That is their whole concept, is to create trouble, to disturb peace in Kashmir, which was gradually coming up. That's whole their idea is to destroy Kashmir and destroy the economy and ultimately create a bloodshed in Kashmir. That is the whole idea, and make profit out of these games. That is what I could make out. They want to create disturbance between the minority and the majority. That is what one idea. The other is to scare minorities and to scare majority. That is the whole idea.
Sandeep, मुझे ये बताइए कि you are absolutely right that they want to scare you all, they want to, and then earn profit from it. But what is your father in particular feeling? Because he's gone through this before. This is the second time for him. क्या बोला आपके father ने when this happened?
He called me. He's in Delhi. He was in Delhi for some days. He called me. He said, "Come up now. Enough is enough." See, when life is at risk, as a father, he thinks he will scare you. I said, no, we have to fight it because every time we can't play like this. We can't be a mute spectator. Somebody has to contribute, somebody has to sacrifice and get Kashmir back on track. Otherwise, it's a never-ending game. It's a never-ending game.
Yeah. So you're saying despite what's happened and despite the fact that your father, who has also been targeted by terrorists in the past, wants you to close the shop and come away from Kashmir, aap nahi chhodenge.
See, somebody has to fight it out. You can't be a mute spectator. They are trying to scare me. They are trying to scare majority. They are trying to scare minority. That is the whole concept of terrorism, is to threaten everybody and make game out of it. But we have to make it a people's movement. Ultimately, people have to unite together and fight it out. We can't leave it to government and settle it down. So I have started the movement. If I die, I will have no grievances. I should have no grudges. But somebody has to contribute and somebody has to be a martyr to solve Kashmir.
So you're going to continue going to your shop despite this direct threat to your life.
It is not going to my shop. It is not that way. It is that I want to make peace in Kashmir. That is more important to me rather than my business. We want to get Kashmiris back to normal life. We want to improve the economy. We want to industrialize this place. We want to make more employment out of this. We can't keep this hell going on for long. We can't keep those shops for long.
Sandeep, you have done a lot of work to, in the Pandit community. मैं तो आपको सालों से जानती हूँ, you and your family. आज आप क्या कहेंगे? Because most Pandit families are not willing now to stay back. Unlike you, आपकी जो एक तरह से courage है वो उनमें नहीं है. Even those who have come under the PM's government scheme, बहुत से लोग जम्मू चले गए हैं. उनको आज आप क्या बोलेंगे जब आपके साथ ये हादसा हुआ है? When your friend Ibrahim has been killed by terrorists at your store with a bullet meant for you.
See, those who went under PM package, the issue was very clear, sort of that very time, that they have to stay in Kashmir and contribute towards peace. So they have to contribute, irrespective. See, you may have 1 or 2 killings will happen. That is for sure. But you have to contribute. You have to build Kashmir again. This is the price we are paying for building Kashmir again towards peace and prosperity. So I am ready as an individual, as a Kashmiri Pandit alone. I am ready. I'll insist other people to join me. But ultimately, we can't run away. This is not the option to run away. Every time you run away is not the solution. We have to get people together and make it the people's movement and solve Kashmir once for all. Either this way or right way, but we have to solve it.
And your friendship with Ibrahim is testimony to actually what the real relationship is between people.
Yes. I feel betrayed today that such a great friend, my brother, has been assassinated. It's a personal loss to me and my family.
I feel for you, but I have a lot of admiration for you, Sandeep, that despite everything that's happened to you, despite the assassination attempt, the targeted killing, you're losing your friend who's like your brother, आप फिर भी कहते हैं कि हिम्मत रखनी पड़ेगी. God bless you. More power to you. And thank you for talking to us, Sandeep. God bless you. Thank you. It's great to see you here. Thank you for watching our work. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the bell icon and subscribe to Mojo Story and support independent, robust journalism.